Dongo's not a great lyricist.
I
said great. I said great. Barbershop, please.
He's a minimalist. Dongo is a minimalist. He doesn't have a lot of complex sentences. He has the
Dongo is an erotic artist.
Ito pa piano di lyricism. Yun naman di able to
Dongo is an erotic artist.
No. Ito pa di lyricism. That's what I'm talking about.
Dongo to mucho real pero mo kisa.
No, he's good, but he's not a lyricist. I'm sorry. Like, I don't know what to tell you.
And that
When I grow up,
is the
yes,
start.
Okay, can we start? Because no so
Yeah.
Kasi naging sa kumisa ka.
Okay.
Sa si Boss Antas no, so actually we to discuss no top 3 ABC artists. Kung as extra content pa man eh, bosa, tu na gusto natin context di Kiko musically no sta inclined to listen to. Diba kumisa ko Angel, King tabo top 3 artists and Diko.
In no specific order, mind you, with local artist family, if you know song associations, Mike's Flinka, but I'm not like all that in pop into music. Pero I'm choosing Isaline Calister, David Silvani, and the childhood cultural icon, Ilya Agustina.
Yeah, yo.
Give me some idea, me.
See.
Isaline Calister, so it's a given. The name says it all. She is a great singer. All her songs are in every Curacao commercials ever, and she's a black woman. Lady Silvani, I've always liked this vibe. Like till this day, Musa vibe, Musa. What these old songs now I still listen to. I wish he was still making I think he is making music now again. Sure.
He is.
See, but I always like this vibe. Siyempre tama ni alternative then did mo kumina for me because I'm not that acting did mo kumina person. And even Christina, you should come back. Make a comeback, girl. We want work. The kids are calling for you. She had all the hits in 2009, and I feel like she has the potential. And
She has the potential.
She has the potential.
To
yes.
come back?
See,
Okay.
she's a cultural icon. The girls that know it and get it. The girls that don't.
Lose the potential because you already had hits. Like, it's not even potential. Just pull up.
I mean,
Yeah.
gostando por a check. I roll com Angelica vai assim.
Será que dá o Hopi Sassy?
But yeah, those are mine. Yes, those are mine.
Okay, my top 3 in a particular order would be Randall Carson, number 1, because I mean he's just really good at the piano, has dope compositions, and he mixes a bunch of different influences in his music. Então, isso é algo que me dá muito importante. The real home. Dos terceira cara, onde mio producers na corsa o kami dá, tá haciendo su mesmo gosto. Dope sound, good vibes, but baila, pero you can listen to it and it's still good, you know. Ando numero 3 é Dongo, sobra. Você corsa outing você uma cultura de vergonha que quando do Dongo não tem conhece. Do papi aqui que tá. Kueke. That's real, man. That's real. So, that's my top 3.
Hilarious.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Very versatile. Hope you different. Yeah. Nice. A mim? Ok. É da hobby difícil para mim escolher um top 3 based on artists, mas limpo based on music. Also, of que como tem aqui. Pero one that comes to mind for sure that Mane Angel is a Linka Lister. She has been my childhood idol. I got the opportunity to even tell her that. Used to go to jazz festival Oram Dava de Chiquito and having her present Umpari Anya was everything for me, so that's one. I would say at the moment when I got a bass that catch me I hope na boneiro ta Luis Moca, the guy que canta music criollo. Ita su lyrics and the hopi bom hopi well thought of su music que trata meta zona hopi bom. And su production team, the music videos, very very nice. So shout out. Mi basta si hope yun conoce, pero y'all should check su cantica nang. And to, moeilijk. Mi bisa Brian Deckers, pues tiene un nostalgic feel to it, pero también maneja yon también. También tiene un nostalgic feel, and to, at the moment that the touring is a baby boy forever, and to, me te quiere, hope you will some agree también, because it kind of reminds you of back in the day.
Yeah.
So, yeah, those are, I guess, top 3.5.
Okay.
Last but not least.
I really don't have one. I gotta be really honest. Me te sinti manera. I like so many people, different people for different reasons. Dus me te very kasi mane elements na di ko like from a few people. I think that's better.
So it has to be three.
Okay. Me te ko Juni Martina. I think lyrically, it like dus mane echt arte di palabra like really rapping. Ku similes, analogies, ku he's probably one of the best we have. Die new school and to. Me no por speak of the old school as much. Pero bijvoorbeeld song sa sina ku tamita tra music, but he's also lyrically very dense. Dus mi last man mi lo bisa. But me keep it like actueel mi lo bisa Kev. So one thing I like about him as an artist that he's himself. Like not that trying to pander to anything. He's himself as tanto himself ta likable. So put apart sometimes when but he's just him. He's always him. And to very important to have. And to I would say Dongo tambe. So he's also himself, pero in nota is not a pander to the money. I'm just supposed to subject myself to these. No. I'm just gonna say what I do. Pero tambe he's a real person. So in not a pander to the money rap lifestyle. But like what I'm just koki. I'm not yunang tramikas. I don't live this lifestyle. Kubasanta really was trying to convey through this. None of this shit. I don't care about none of this.
Yeah.
But bijvoorbeeld Rich, I think he is one of the best artists su musical spectrum di look epohasi that amazing to me. Like sibutin su dos album and last day, the things he did on there was like it's not even, and he's also one of the biggest ones. Like Turin, all these dudes the Susans, sina. Like Subawari, most of man might be the grandfather, and the two other rappers nagsabi about that. But sometimes the Rich is up there. I feel like that's very important. And to order sa pamilya nang kuta classically trained man Isalinkalis, like I think that's very important tame. Ante manera kun nang ta stay relevant tame still, because she still makes music. She's still relevant. To bumira tame collabs kuma alde ku Isalinkalis. It's rich tame. It's very amazing to see how everybody kind of ting certo points come in there.
A lot of respect,
It's very important. So don't have a top 3, but I feel like nos artists nanti na do bastan delen of elements kuta very rich and very culturally important for nos. I'm also a rapper. No, but I feel like that's very important for me for a highlight. So that's why I chose to do that way.
Yeah, okay. Me can add mas. To be honest, I wake up with the top of your pensar pero Nathaniel.Beats. Like ito when I'm not a sad DJ to repente my sad DJ because I'm working on koyama ish
Color?
See colors. Me don't wait what?
Yeah.
Right.
So last EP other voorlaatste. Amazing.
Oh, mas Wee Wee.
Yeah.
Wee Wee. I don't know if you guys know him, but actually Wee Wee. He's a professional baseball player.
Sí. Corso, Boneiro.
Sí. And he makes music tambe, and ito hope consistent. And there's one song kumitaya as amazing of him as an artist. And really nice to share ko kumi. I'm a greatest man alive. It's like I mean, ito goes to tour songs na, pero timbe, hey, let me tell you, this man, he's very versatile tambe. Su discography and su a body of work, thing like he can do all of it. He can do all of it. Like ito yung trap. Everything, and the fact that this man has a whole professional career as a whole different thing, I think it's very important. I think amazing. Sorry, I think it's very commendable. I think it make time for su passion to bana dilo kita asikaw. I think that's really cool also. So check it out.
The honorable mention to Yayo Sosa.
Facts. So Kiko, we need the
poo.
Right.
Real shit.
Yeah, that's also one of them dudes who he can do all of it.
Yeah.
He can literally do whatever.
I mean,
it doesn't matter.
He can rap in
whatever he
Spanish and I
It
was
doesn't
fan.
matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Yeah.
He can speak gibberish and
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Cool.
This that's our little in-depth or not really in-depth analysis di look nos actually gusto nos ABC artists. Last thing, support our artists. We got a few sitting here. Follow them, like them, and OnBrand tame, and all of that good stuff. And we see you next time.